In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Slack active and stay online green. If you work remotely, you already know how important that green status dot can be. By default, Slack changes your status to away when your computer has been inactive for a while. On desktop, that usually happens after about 10 minutes. And on mobile, it can happen even faster. The good news is that there are a few legitimate ways to help Slack continue showing you as active, mainly by checking your Slack settings and making sure your computer does not fall asleep. First, open the Slack desktop app. Before trying anything outside of Slack, it's a good idea to confirm that your status is not manually set to away. Click your profile picture either in the bottom left corner or the top right area, depending on your layout. In the menu that appears, look for the status option. If you see Set Yourself as Active, click it. This forces your green indicator back on and make sure Slack is displaying your availability correctly. Next, check whether notifications are paused. Sometimes Do Not Disturb settings can affect how your availability appears. Click your profile picture again, hover over Pause Notifications, and see whether any pause timer is currently active. If notifications are paused, click Resume Notifications. This restores normal behavior and helps your active presence show properly. Now let's talk about your computer itself, because Slack uses your operating system's activity state to decide whether you are active or away. If your screen turns off, your computer goes to sleep, or your session locks, Slack will usually stop showing you as active right away. If you're using Windows, open settings by pressing Windows and I together. Go to System, then Power and Battery, or Power and Sleep, depending on your version. Open the Screen and Sleep section. For a plugged-in device, set the screen time out to never, and also set the sleep option to never. This keeps the system awake so Slack doesn't assume you've stepped away. If you're on a Mac, open System Settings and select Lock Screen from the sidebar. Change the display off settings for both battery and power adapter to never. That prevents the display from shutting off due to inactivity, which helps Slack remain connected and active. If you need to step away briefly and you're using a work computer that doesn't allow software installs, a physical mouse jiggler can help keep the system from appearing idle. You simply plug it into a USB port and it creates tiny mouse movements that keep your computer awake. There's also a no-cost alternative, placing an optical mouse over an analog watch face where the moving second hand can trigger slight movement detection.